post the second type of painting in a separate video.
Hey guys, it's another video, a very exciting video, and as you can tell, it's another painting video from our paints. It's something different, something you may have seen, but I'm just gonna show you how to do it in my video today. I'm gonna show you two types of painting. As you see, we have amazing, beautiful leaves, and the second type is a surprise, so be sure to stay tuned for that. But before we start this amazing, unique video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and also turn on the notifications. This is very crucial. And also, to add to this, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Let's get started. You don't need a lot, it's just some paint, a piece of paper, a variety of beautiful leaves, and something or like a container to mix your paint on and add it on. Like, this is what I'm using. It's a lid of obviously a box. Let's get started. I'm starting with the color classic green because I want my leaf to look realistic. Add it on your surface. It could be any type of surface, literally. Any type of surface. And now it's on here. I'm gonna get this leaf. It's very nice. I think it will look amazing on my piece of paper. So put it on, and now try to cover your whole leaf